Hello there. So today we're going to talk about the 7 crystals to help alchemize your life. These crystals also are coordinated with your chakra system. And by alchemize your life, I mean help to transform your life, to take what you have and to create it into magic, to bring out anything that seems negative and to turn it into the positive. So here are my 7 crystals to help you alchemize your life. The first one is selenite. Selenite works with the crown and the etheric chakras, and it helps to calm an overactive mind. It's hard to alchemize our life if our thinking is just looping, especially if it's looping in negative thinking. So the selenite will help to clear out those thoughts, those looping thoughts. It also helps to cleanse, alchemize your energy field. It, to me, brings in a magical element. I like to personally even take a piece of selenite and run it over my energy field all the time, before I do healings, whenever I have left the home to go to the store or to run errands, and when I come home, and it immediately makes me feel calmer. Okay? I love to sleep with this one too. This is my personal selenite, and I never take it off. Never, unless I'm really washing my face, doing something with the kids, or getting in the shower. Selenite is a softer stone, so it can easily break. That being said, mine never has. So if you treat it with care. Beautiful selenite. It just literally brings in the light. Transmutes dark, heavy energy into light, fluffy, healing, magical, transformational energy. Next is Auralite 23. I don't know if you've heard of this stone. This one really works as well with the crown and the third eye chakra. Auralite 23 is basically amethyst with at least 23 other minerals in it. It is mined in Canada. It's considered a newly discovered mineral. But again, it's mainly amethyst. And the reason I suggested this one is because amethyst is a phenomenal stone to help with addictions. And when we're wanting to transform and alchemize our lives, we want to get rid of things that we are addicted to that are holding us back. Whether that is a chemical addiction, alcohol, food. I once had somebody talk to me about how we become totally addicted to like our lists and our things to do. So when we can't turn off our mind, it also helps with sleep. It helps to transform to deeper sleep and to dream recall, which is where we're hiding a lot of subconscious that needs to be transformed. Which brings me to the third recommendation. Labradorite, one of my most favorite stones. It's so beautiful as you look at all the different colors in it. Labradorite is the stone of transformation. It is a stone of magic. It helps to take what you have and to see it in a different light. So it helps to shift our lens, to shift our focus, to see things that we haven't seen before. It brings the subconscious up to the light for us to see it, to transform it. It's a great stone to work with meditation, with dream work, and it's also very protective, a psychologically protective stone or psychic protective stone as well. So I highly recommend wearing labradorite, meditating with labradorite, sleeping with labradorite, taking a piece of labradorite and just laying it on your crown chakra, your third eye, your throat, wherever you intuitively feel drawn to laying it. It is not a right or wrong. Okay. Next is amazonite. Love the stone for transformation. It connects the heart and the throat, so it helps you to speak your truth. It helps you to get out what you're holding back. What are you holding on the inside? Because we can't transform what we can't let go of, right? So it really helps with that release. It also helps to clear electromagnetic smog caused from electronics, and it helps to transmute that energy as well. Okay, nice calming stone connected with the heart and the throat chakra. And then moving down, I have rose quartz. Rose quartz really helps to heal the heart. When you've had traumas and you carry those in your heart, and it really helps to boost your self-confidence, to boost your self-esteem, to give yourself that self-love that you so deserve. Peace and harmony. Lay this on your heart chakra. Wear this stone. Rose quartz is a quartz-based stone. So you can also, even if you have a piece of rose quartz, like I have one right here to show you, you can put rose quartz in your bath water. You can take rose quartz and put it even in your drinking water under a full moon, moon water. But rose quartz is a quartz-based crystal, so it can go in your water, and you can take it internally, the energy. So rose quartz is a wonderful stone to work with, and it will definitely help to alchemize and transform pain that you're holding in your heart, heartache, grief. Next up is Carnelian. I love this faceted sparkly wrap bracelet. It has a sterling silver moon phase connector on this one. It's connected with our sacral chakra, and it helps to move stuck energy. If you are feeling like there's a creative block, it really helps to move that energy and allows it to flow. Our sacral chakra is all about flowing. It's about connecting to others, and it's about boosting our creative energy, fun and play, right? And I have this theory that I'm sure many of you agree with, that we can't heal if we can't tap into joy. If we're always feeling down and our energy is really heavy and really dense, it's really hard to heal. So working with our sacral chakra and tapping into fun, play, and joy helps us to just heal holistically. Lastly, for our root chakra, I have Smokey Quartz. Smokey Quartz helps to ground our energy. If we're all over the place, like a space cadet, monkey mind, and we can't be in the present moment, it's hard to focus on what it is that we need to heal, what it is that we need to see, to transform and to alchemize that energy. I like to actually work with Smokey Quartz and Selenite together. It really brings that yin and yang balance. So those two are a great one to work together. And I did leave out the sacral chakra, or went out of order with that. Here's Citrine. Citrine is also a quartz-based crystal. It works really well for our sacral chakra, and it helps to transmute and transform stuck energy around your self-esteem. You know, putting one foot in front of the other, tapping into your courage, putting yourself out there. No more holding back. Boosting that self-confidence with Citrine is a great one. So I hope that you found these crystal recommendations helpful. And if you did, share this out with your friends and leave me a comment below. Hit me a thumbs up and a like, and I will be happy to make so many more videos for you.